In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Telegram for your OpenClaw. It's going to be a quick video, so let's dive right into the computer. All right, let's dive right in. What we want to do, so I'll show you exactly how to get this set up. So whether you already have it installed or if you're in the process of installing OpenClaw for the first time. You want to come to this website, obviously for OpenClaw. Come here to your terminal. If you don't have it open, just paste in the command. What you want to do now is fetch the API key. I already got my API key on my clipboard. In the meantime, what you can do is open up BotFather on Telegram. So here, if I just press enter on BotFather and I just press start. By the way, I did Command K. And what we're going to want to do here in the meantime is press new bot. You just want to follow the quick protocol here for installing OpenClaw, open router, paste my key. One thing I recommend, by the way, is if you're going to use open router or like an auto model, I tend to notice that this doesn't work. So use a model that has some sort of agentic capability. So something like some of the Gemini 3 classes, the Claudes, the Minimaxes, the Kimmys. So use something that has the ability to do agentic sequences and tasks versus something like a 4.0 mini or something like that, which it may underperform, because you'll notice that what I'm going to do is if you're prompting the bot to do something, it'll be like, okay, confirmed, I did the thing, but it didn't call any tools, which is going to let you run into a problem. So if you're running into that problem, then what you have to do is you have to switch the model. We're going to do a Telegram. You're going to want to do new bot. So just name the bot anything. I'll just call it Fred bot. Now, make sure the bot ends in bot, right? So give it a username. I'll just put in a bunch of numbers, whatever, call it bot. Wow, I guess someone already took that. I'll just do bot. Okay, that's done. Now, obviously, you want to give it its own proper username. I just kind of like threw in a bunch of trash. You're going to want to copy this bot token here. And I'm going to press enter here, paste in the bot token. Here, you can just skip the configuration. And by the way, if you already did that and you're trying to figure out how to get Telegram set up, I'll walk you through that in just a second also. But make sure you have the web UI set up. So it should take you here. Also, if you're in terminal and you already had this installed, if you don't know how to get that open, just come to terminal, because you already have either on your virtual private server or your computer already have this installed. So what you can do is run this command, OpenClaw dashboard, and then it'll open up right here, right? So we're already good on that. If you already had this installed and now you're just trying to get it back up, so just type in OpenClaw config, OpenClaw config, let it do its thing. You're going to press local, you're going to go to channels, you're going to press configure link, you're going to press Telegram, and you're just going to walk through the same exact process I just walked through with you. You know what I mean? So it's right there. You just have to use that one command. All right. Now that we have the bot token, we have the username, you want to press start on it. If you're doing this on mobile, you just follow the same exact process. It's going to tell you to do this. Ask the bot owner to approve with this. So literally just copy that. Go to the main dashboard. Just paste this. And you're just going to let the bot pretty much approve it. It's going to, as you can see here, it's calling the tools. Because right now, if I were to send this thing a message, it's not going to reply. So you have to pair it. So what it's doing here is, hopefully it just paired it. It ran a command. Here. Oh, sorry, I should have like copied the whole entire message. So if anything, just honestly copy the full message and it'll double check its own configurations. And then what I did here was I just pressed hi, it replied to me, and we are up and live. So the thing is, if this first thing doesn't work, just honestly just copy the whole message and paste it. As long as you see these tools being called, it means something's actually happening, because if you're using a cheap model or something like on auto, if you use Open Router Auto, I'm telling you right now, what's going to happen there is it's just going to role play with you and say approved. Oh, I did this, but I'm just talking back to Telegram and it's not working. So if you're running into that issue, it's probably because you're using a crappy model and you have to upgrade to a better agentic model capable of calling tools and executing various different changes in its own configuration files. That'll be all for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.